In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in cell in Smartsheet. If you've ever had a long note or description get cut off in a narrow column, wrapping text is the quickest way to make everything readable without endlessly scrolling sideways. Wrapping simply takes the text in a cell and displays it on multiple lines within that same cell, so you can see the full content at a glance. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your Smartsheet environment where you can access all your work. You'll usually see the left sidebar with your workspaces and items. That's your hub for navigating projects and sheets. Go to your workspace, the area where your sheet lives. Workspaces help keep related items organized, so if you have a lot of projects, this is the fastest way to find what you need. Open the correct workspace and locate the sheet you want to edit. A sheet is like a spreadsheet for your project. It's where your rows, columns, and cells live. Click the sheet to open it. Give it a moment to load. You should see a grid layout with column headers across the top. Now, find the cell that includes the long text you want to fully display. Click that cell to select it. Wrapping affects whatever you have selected, so you can apply it to a single cell, several cells, or a whole range. Just make sure the selection is active before you continue. With the cell selected, look up to the toolbar for the wrap text option. In Smartsheet, it appears as a formatting control with an icon showing stacked lines, and it may be labeled Wrap Text. Click it once to turn wrapping on. Instantly, the cell's contents will flow to multiple lines and the row height will expand as needed so you can read everything without widening the column. A few helpful notes as you work. Wrapping is a toggle, so clicking the button again will turn it off if you ever want to revert. If the wrapped text still feels cramped, you can make the column a bit wider for fewer line breaks or keep it narrow to show more rows on screen. Smartsheet auto-saves formatting changes, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. If you don't see the wrap text option, you may have limited permissions on the sheet. In that case, check with the owner or admin to ensure you have edit rights. And that's it. Quick, clean, and readable content in your cells with a single click. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Smartsheet.